Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. My name is John.
And my name is Diamond.
And today we are in the beautiful city of Akureyri, Iceland. It is gorgeous out here.
Oh yeah, and it's not like I thought I was going to be super cold stepping out onto this balcony, but it is very beautiful. John, we have some exciting things going on today, don't we?
We do. We have an excursion today that's going to take us around the town, around the city.
Yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to seeing the sights and what this beautiful land has to bring. I'm also excited because I hope we get to get some like local delicacies here.
Some delectables.
Delectables.
Local delectables.
But we'll bring you along with us. It's going to be a great time. You don't want to miss out, so continue watching and you'll travel with us today. Let's go.
Let me tell you guys, the weather is beautiful at this port. About 60 degrees. It is very sunny outside. Did you bring the sunscreen?
I did.
I think we're going to need it. We're going to need it.
John, is this the nicest bus we've been on?
It's very nice. It's a Mercedes bus.
It's swanky. It's very nice. I have a feeling we're going to have AC today. It's going to be a beautiful day in this bus. I'm ready for it. All right, so we have made it to our first point, and it is beautiful, John. Beautiful. Every single time you bring me to another stop, I'm just like astounded by what he has picked. There is a lot of people here, but people are very patient, so you're able to go ahead and take your photos and do all the things, see all the beautiful parts of this waterfall. I can't even explain where we're at. Where are we at, John?
So I believe the way you say it is Waterfalls. This was the scene was actually a Game of Thrones.
Yeah, great TV show, by the way. But just so pretty. It's green everywhere. You look up, there's snow. You look down, there's water. You look to the side, there's green. I'm loving this. Are you ready for our next stop?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
So we're about to see some lava craters, right?
Yeah.
There's a bit of a fly problem here. So behind me there's a bunch of different craters. And these craters are formed when lava goes over a wet surface and it forms these craters. There's a lot of flies. The flies like to nest here in this lake, and the flies feed the ducks. But it's quite a nuisance, isn't it?
I don't like this. I don't like that.
Well, that may have not been the greatest experience for Diamond, although the scenery is beautiful, the landscape's beautiful here. Like I was saying earlier, there's a fly that lives on the lake. The fly is actually essential to the ducks that eat it, and this is its home, so this is where the fly lives, and there's a lot of it, and it gets in your face, in your noses, and your ears. Bring a net. Bring a net. Apparently some of these volcanic chimneys look like trolls. You gotta have an imagination.
The troll gonna get John.
So we've moved on to our next stop. We saw some, volcano chimneys in our previous spot, and Iceland is full of volcanic activity.
It sure is. It's also full of a lot of smells now. lot of smells, right, John?
So this next stop, it's there's sulfur, there's gases that are coming out of the ground, hot gases that cause bubbling mud. So check it out. It smells very
Horrible.
it's not the greatest smell. So we're not going to spend much time here because the next stop is the highlight of this excursion.
The one that I've been waiting for.
And let's just say we brought our swim gear.
It's gonna get a little toasty roasty. Alright, so we've made it to our last stop, right, John?
We did, and if you guess we're gonna be taking a bath, we sure are. We're gonna be taking a bath in this lagoon.
Ooh.
It smells like sulfur. It's supposed to make your body 10 years younger, your skin.
So I'm really gonna look like a kid at.
Maybe I'll get my hairline back.
This feels good. This feels good. And it's very cold outside, but this feels great. This feels great. Just waiting for Diamond. Totally worth it. I just yelled at Diamond. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna be in the pool because I'm freezing my butt off. Ah, feels good.
All right. After a very confusing work in the dang locker room, we're good. We're set, and we're in the water.
All right, everybody. So this place cost a total of, it was about $130 for 2 entries and 2 drinks. And if we had more time, it'd probably be worth it, but we only have maybe 20 minutes. Very short amount. I got the local IPA beer from here. I always try to try the local beers because what's in this can was cultivated in this land.
But I will say this, pro tip for you guys to know and ladies for you to know, you do not want to wear your jewelry in this area because it is like it is sulfur water, right? Pretty much. So it will taint your rings, it'll taint your necklaces, and if you go down underneath with your head dipping in, which I'm not doing and I don't think John's gonna do, if you have earrings and you want to leave them out. They do provide showers, they do provide lockers, and you do, if you did not bring a towel, you will rent the towel.
So a bit of history about how this place was made. This is actually not natural. This was man-made. There's a steam power plant, and they started putting all the excess water aside, and then it created this bath. And then the locals came in and were taking a bath in the water, and then they decided, well, let's just put a restaurant there, put a bar there, and then we'll charge people to go get in. So that's how this place came to be.
But
and it is very nice. It is very nice. That was so relaxing. I feel rejuvenated. Diamond's still getting ready. But this is a must, guys. You guys have to do this one in one of the stops. There's a few of these baths all throughout Iceland. You got to do at least one. Highly recommend.
Well, we had a good day today, wouldn't you say, John?
Yes, it was a fantastic day.
So the waterfall was pretty. We got a chance to like take a walk around a volcanic rock area. I'm not really sure what the national park was called, but our tour guide did a really good job of trying to explain what we were seeing. There was a bit of a struggle with language, but he tried his best. He did a really good job of keeping us on track, making sure that we're spending enough time in areas, but also ensuring that we're spending good quality time everywhere that we go. So if we left a place early, then we were able to spend more time in another place.
Yes, indeed, but I got one thing to say, Diamond.
Oh, what is it?
Would you look at it?
Oh, would you look at it? It's nice. We're on the deck. It's a bit warm. It's not too cold.
It's about 75 degrees right now in
yeah.
Iceland. Yesterday was the warmest day that they have had in quite a while.
Yeah, so we're really enjoying all of these ports. It's always a good time. And you know what even is a better time, John? when they make the investment to hit the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell to let you know every single time we have a video coming out. I mean, it's one of those investments that's free. You don't have to do anything but hit a click of a button. Man, it's so good, right, John? It's something they should all do.
Yes.
But we have dinner tonight with the whole group, so we're going to bring you along with us. It's been really great. We want to say shout out and thank you to Sharon at Sea Travel for all that you guys do, for making this whole cruise happen and us to be able to sail with friends, because there's nothing better than going on a cruise with friends, right, John?
Absolutely.
All right, we'll bring you along. It's going to be great. Keep watching. You don't want to miss out.
So the food is here, and we are watching the whales from the back of the ship.
I'm so sorry. The chicken's real good. I totally forgot, but the chicken's real good. Well, I would say that's a wrap, right, John?
That was a wrap at the MDR.
Yeah, so the MDR did take longer than normal from what we were hearing. This was our first time that we did the MDR. I wouldn't say that it was horrible. Would you say that?
No, just the service was a little slow. We spent 2 hours in that.
But we did have a group of 17, or like supposedly a group of 17, so that's why it probably took much longer. But overall, the dishes were really great. My chicken was super good. Was your food good?
The steak was good. The shrimp was good.
Yeah, so pretty much everything was great. Dessert was a little hit and miss. You will get that on a cruise ship only because they try like new flavors and combinations and things. But overall, a great experience, a good time hanging out with the group, and just enjoying each other's company. But it was a long day. It's been a long vacation. Not to say that it's been a bad vacation. I think it's been pretty great. But I think it's time to call it a night.
It is. That is a wrap. Today's Port Akureyri. It was a fantastic day. The weather couldn't have been any better. The lake was so relaxing. The bath.
Yeah, everything about it was really beautiful. My favorite part, honestly, like I know the bath was great and very, very relaxing, but the waterfall probably was my favorite just because it was so beautiful. The whole scenery around it, everything that we encountered, it was just so nice. I think today was a great day. But do you have anything else to add?
That's all.
I keep forgetting. What's your name?
My name is John.
And my name is Diamond. Go on a cruise.
And have a good time.
We'll see you guys real soon. Bye, y'all.